Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Guess where I am today? I'm actually at the market at the pork section today. So we are at this Berkshires, right? Apa is going to walk through with you some of their product. Actually, I so happen to have their people here with us. This is where Apa has been buying pork actually for the past couple of years. Yeah, I've been a loyal customer for several years. Okay, so we have Ernest here with us. Ernest, say a few words.
Hi, I'm Ernest. I'm from Berkshires, and yeah, I'd like to walk you through a few of our products today.
All right. Okay, Ernest. So tell us about Berkshire Pork.
Okay, so Berkshires is actually our brand name. We are actually from Ipoh, and for our pork, we actually have two types of pork. So we have our white pork and our black pork. So our black pork is Hay Mao Zu. It's actually a 100% Berkshire pork from UK, and it's free range.
Oh, so, just like free range chicken, free range.
Yes, correct. It's a much more healthier choice.
Okay.
So in terms of all our pork, right, we do not have any harmful chemicals. We do not have like antibiotics. We don't, give injections to the pig. No growth hormone, nothing harmful chemicals.
Okay.
Yes, it is a much more healthier choice.
And you fed them with grains, grass, fruits, right?
Yes, correct. So our feed is actually, in a way, as compared to the conventional feed, is actually a much more premium feed.
So just like what Apa always do on my videos, as you all probably know, Apa is one new series called Food Source. Yeah, food source. So what exactly is this food source? It actually talks about tell people about knowing what exactly we eat, right? So many of us, we always doesn't know the meat we eat, the chicken we eat, where are those things actually from, or how are they actually rare. So when it comes to this, you know already this particular pork, yeah, it doesn't have any antibody residues, no beta agonists, no growth hormones. Right, this is very important. And I was told they will be nice enough after lockdown to let Apa visit and film their farm in Ipoh. That is going to be very, very interesting.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Apa's video.
Okay, so they have a lot of different cuts here, as you can see. Yeah, of course you have some innards, some pig tongue, pig ear also got, pig's tails also got, shoulder, arm. And of course we have the pork belly, right? Oh, look at how beautiful it is. You have some stir-fried meat. Now one thing you will notice from their display, every different cuts of meat, they will actually tell you what you can use it for. Like this one, you can use it for grill, for fry, for stew, or for stir-fry. So that will definitely help you as to how you can cook that particular part. Very useful for normal home cook. And as a matter of fact, today they have something very special. It's called the pork jaw. This is very crispy if you cook it. You don't get this very often, seriously. And of course they have some soft ribs and baby ribs as well. Yeah, baby back ribs. Ooh, look at these ribs. This looks so nice. And one thing about their shop that I like is, like I said, I've been buying here for years. Sometimes when I'm looking for a certain cut but I cannot see on their display, I can actually go to their people here to tell them what I want, and they can actually cut it for me. Yeah, they can actually customize to cut it for me. So that is exactly like how you buy from butcher. Only thing is they got a lot more stocks, yeah, compared to the normal butcher. And they will give you a good combination between black pork, like this, right? Black pork, and also white pork. Depends what you want. Okay, so maybe we can just very quickly show you the difference between the black pork and the white pork. So we have some pork belly here, and also some cube roll. Okay, they call it cube roll. So the two above here is actually the black pork. This is black pork. And then we have coming back down, this is actually their white pork. Now the main difference between the two, besides the flavor, it is actually the marbling. Let Appa show you how to tell the difference. You look at this marbling of the black pork. Can you see the marbling, the spider web? Okay, which is the very the fat distribution. And this one, can you see? Right? Can you tell the difference? This one you can see a lot of the spider webs. This one lesser spider web, but still it's going to taste really good, the both. And let's look at the cube roll. This is the normal white pork. And let's move on to the black pork. You look at the spider web, yeah, which is the fat distribution, the marbling we actually call it. Just like wagyu, that's your understanding of wagyu. Okay, so if you see from their freezer, you can actually see some of their byproduct. They got their siu mai, yeah, using their own pork, and also the char siu bao. And not forgetting they have all this for the steamboat, yeah, for shabu shabu. Appa actually bought their pork steamboat. I think this is the one Appa bought. Super tender. Actually, I love it better than the beef. This is really good. Look at this. Look at the beautiful marbling. It is almost like eating a beef, but well marbled beef, but the price is so much cheaper compared to the beef. Not so bad, isn't it? Just look at it. You are only paying like 15. This one only like 15.60. Not very expensive at all, actually. Okay, so Ernest, actually for you all, what's the taste difference between the black pork and the white pork?
Okay, so first off, for black pork, right, it's actually 100% free range, so it's a much more healthier choice. But if you are talking in terms of taste, then black pork is much more tender, and the oil coming from it has a much more fragrant smell. So if you do Korean barbecue, I can tell you, wow, very nice smell one.
Then I should definitely try some. Okay, thank you so much for your info. Okay, Ernest, if anyone were to buy, except coming to this Taman Desa Day Market, that they can find your physical shop, how else they can buy your Berkcious Pork?
Okay, so now we are also available on Shopee. So it's an online platform, so you can also order through that. And we are also available on Facebook. So you just need to message us, and then we'll send you our full catalog, and then you just place your order through there. But for online delivery, is currently only available in Klang Valley at the moment. For outstation orders, we are
working for it.
Yes, we are working on it.
They are working for it, but basically the online delivery, you can only get it if you are staying in Klang Valley.
Yes, correct.
At the moment. And they are very fresh, meaning if you order, the pork that they send you today is actually slaughtered today.
Yes, correct. So let's say if you place your order on Monday, your delivery date is Wednesday. Wednesday only we will prepare the pork. Yeah, we don't prepare on Monday, then go freeze it, then only deliver to you. When delivery date is on Wednesday, then we will prepare it on Wednesday. So it's 100% freshness guarantee.
Yeah, so your freshness is guaranteed.
Correct.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much,
us today.
Alpha.
Thank you very
so
much.